All right, so we're going to be using the double pan balance. And so one of the first things that you need to recognize when using the double pan balance is it already has a built-in slider, or the rider, that will move up to 10 grams. So that is one of the things that you need to always make sure it is at 0 when you start, and that you have this at 0 as well. And today what we're going to be doing is going to be measuring various kinds of, like a ping pong ball, a golf ball, a wooden ball. And so you're going to be making predictions about their mass, but then we're going to be getting their actual mass. So when you use a balance, one of the first things that you want to remember is we're going to be putting on the double pan balance items that we want massed on the left side. And I'm going to use a little bit of clay here, so you guys will probably do that as well, a little smidgen, just so that these won't roll off. Okay, and that we'll be having that same clay for all of these. So now it can sit on there. So obviously we need to start by using the rider, and that looks like it's a little bit too much. And today we're going to be having jobs, but everybody is going to be getting to practice and see how this works. So when we move this and we get it to be balanced, or in both pans, we can then read, and it looks like it's between 1 gram and 2, but then we count the little tiny milligrams, so it is 1.6 grams. Okay, so that's an easier one. Now if we're going to use a little bit heavier one, so let's say we have a golf ball. We obviously probably know that this is going to be way too light. So we're going to be using now what you guys like to use, which is the known masses. So we have like the baby 10, we have the 20s, we have a 50, 100s, and we have the 200. So let's just start, see if, so that tells us that 100 is way too much. You can start with the 50, way too much. Oops. And again, we have somebody who's going to be in charge of that. So now we're going to try 20. Another 20. The baby 10. All right, so that tells me that I'm going to put the baby 10 back, and I'm going to use a rider there. Get it so it's balanced. So I have to remember to add these on the right plus this. I can't just write down 5.4 grams. That's not what the mass is of that golf ball. So it is a 20 plus a 20 is 40. So 45 point, no, what if I meant 45.4 grams.